Welcome to Granding channel. Today, we're super excited to introduce you FA2000 Biometric Recognition System. The FA2000 is a state-of-the-art touchless multi-biometric identification terminal. It comes with standard TCP IP and Wi-Fi communication, making it incredibly convenient for any workspace. First up, this 8-inch touchscreen. It's intuitive and easy to use, allowing for seamless interaction with the system. With TCP IP and Wi-Fi capabilities, the FA2000 can be easily integrated into your existing network infrastructure. No more hassle with complex wiring. One of the most impressive things about the FA2000 is its high verification speed. Whether it's facial recognition or fingerprint scanning, you'll get a response in no time. The FA2000 offers multiple verification modes. You can choose between facial recognition, fingerprint, or even use a card, optional, for added security and user convenience. And let's not forget its slim design. It looks great in any environment and has become really popular in the market because of it. So, there you have it. Folks, thanks for watching.